view and not the top view. You wouldn't see anything. All you're going to see is that surface, and everything else is going to be hidden lines. But there's an important detail here. What do we have here?
Broken lines?
Two center lines and two hidden lines.
Hidden lines, yeah.
What are those features? You can't tell from the front view.
It's those holes.
Once you rotate it, they're not holes.
Oh, there's slots. Slots.
Slots. You've got some slots milled in there. And you can only dimension to what? You can only dimension to true shape. This is the only view you see the true shape of those two slots. That's why the dimensions are given on this view. Okay. So in the front view, what do we see? We see the angle of the incline. So that makes this here the edge, and then we're going to rotate the part this direction 90 degrees. So what does that make this view over here?
Top view.
Top view, it has to come from the front view, right? Up, vertically.
Oh, so
It doesn't go vertical from the front view.
right side view? Oh, the auxiliary view.
Auxiliary view. Remember, that part is angled.
Oh, right, and it's got an
So the
angle.
only way you get the true shape of that hole and these holes is from your auxiliary view.
So it's like,
So again, you're not just rotating the part 90 degrees, right? Right side, front, top. Now we're having to rotate it to a new angle, so we get the true shape of the surface. Right? So let's mess with you a little bit.
oh, you mean you weren't already?
What's this one?
What page is that? The next page there.
So you want the process on this blueprint. So you got to break it down. What's the first thing we're going to do?
Decide which is the front.
Decide what views we're working with. So which view gives you the most detail?
Honestly, from the print, it seems like that top right has the most detail.
Probably the bottom right being the top view.
This one here is your front view.
Front view.
Drawn above the front view
Top.
would be the top. Drawn to the left,
Left side view.
left side view. Then we have these two views,
Auxiliary.
which are both what kind of auxiliary?
One's going to be a principal, right? Principal.
Where are they drawn from?
Principal view.
Drawn from the left side, principal view. So they have to be what kind of auxiliary?
Was it
Primary.
Primary. That was the word. I said principal.
And they're both primary. Because they are both drawn from a principal view. Right? So basically what you have is a piece of material, probably about 1/2 inch thick, we'll check that in a second. got a slot going through it. That's what this is showing you. At the bottom, those features there are here. Those are its feet that we're sitting on. So we've got a plate sitting on some feet. What is this up here? So you've got to look at the visible lines and your hidden lines. Shape do you see?
Looks like a rectangle with like a counterbore maybe.
What it is, it's a T-slot, but the T-slot is angled. So on the front view, where this is flat, this is true shape. You've got another piece that is angled. So you start to see inside of the shape.